Yes, so what will happen as far as the big Gujarat battle is concerned, because the second and the final phase of voting in Gujarat gets underway in just about an hour from now, exactly 60 minutes after a high voltage, almost vitriolic campaign. Gujarat, remember, is going to be sealing the fate of 852 candidates today. 51% of Gujarat, that is almost half of Gujarat, voting today. These are 93 seats, viewers, we are talking about. And as I said, the north and the central areas are those who are voting today. You have 61 seats when you talk of central Gujarat and almost 32 in North Gujarat. You would also recall that we've seen some very fierce attacks by both the BJP and the Congress camps. The Prime Minister, Rahul Gandhi, have possibly pulled out all stops to ensure that they are able to retain the victory margins that had happened also in the last elections. The BJP says it's confident of retaining Gujarat. The Congress President Rahul Gandhi already now has predicted a Zabardast result for his party. And as I said, Republic getting you the best airs and grounds on that big story. All our reporters are just going to be joining us in a bit as we continue with our non-stop live coverage, building up to that big coverage also with Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami a little later, and to the crucial edit polls later also. My colleague Shivani is joining us this morning, so is Prema, and all right, I believe Payal should also be up with us, and Payal, remember, is reporting from Sidhpur. We have also our colleague Prema reporting from Ahmedabad, extremely critical. Remember, it's again an urban seat, and when you talk of the BJP, the urban seats, many say, hold the key. Shivani also reporting from Viramgam. And first, I'll come to you, Prema, because you're in Ahmedabad. You know, when you talk of Ahmedabad today, it's got to be looking at a very interesting battle, because we've seen the fiercest battle happening between the BJP and the Congress exactly where you are, Prema. Now, which are the key faces today that will be coming out today to cast their vote?
Well, Deepthi, I am right now in Ahmedabad city, and this constituency is the Gatlodhiya constituency, and the face of this constituency is Anandiben Patel. But remember, she is not taking part in these elections. Unfortunately, she is not part of these elections, but the BJP has fielded another candidate called Bhupendra Patel. But coming back to your question, there are a lot of VVIPs who are going to come to Ahmedabad today, like Arun Jaitley is going to be here, LK Advani is going to be here to cast his vote, BJP President Amit Shah is going to be here to cast his vote, and most importantly, Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, is also going to be here in Ahmedabad to cast his vote. But I'm here at Gatlodhiya, and Gatlodhiya is the den. We can call it the den of the Patidar community. And as I told you, Anandiben Patel is the star face of this entire constituency, but she is not going to take part in these elections. Let me show you around. Here is the Adarsh Primary School. The Adarsh Primary School is the place where we will see Anandiben Patel coming at around 8 o'clock and casting her vote. There are 6 booths here. If my VJ Surendra Rawat can pan to the booths, there are 6 polling booths here. And that booth that you're seeing there, booth number 85, that is the booth where Anandiben Patel is going to come and cast a vote. Let's get inside the booth and see what is happening. And if my VJ can pan towards that place, that spot, that is a cute little chart, a blackboard which has been made by the polling officers here. And from here, we will get to know updates every 2 hours, from 8 to 10, from 10 to 12, from 12 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 5. We will get to know what the total polling is, what the total polling percentage is, how many male voters have polled, how many female voters have polled. We will get to know all the details and updates from this local polling booth here. And here are the polling officers who are gearing up for this polling. And what you're seeing there is the EVM. That is the EVM. where Anandiben Patel will be coming and casting her votes. And what you're seeing right now is a mock poll, Deepthi. Here is a mock poll. So what the officers here, polling officers here are doing is that they have started a mock poll, and this mock poll is started to see if the EVMs are in working condition. So what the officers are doing here is at least 50 polling officers will cast their votes to see that the votes are being casted properly, to ensure that the EVMs are working properly. Let's not forget that this was the most important controversy that we saw in the first phase, where the Congress came out and said that the EVMs in Gujarat are not working and the BJP is doing something hanky-panky with the EVMs. So there was a lot of controversy, and now the Election Commission has decided that this phase, that is today's phase of polling, should go in a very proper manner, and the EVMs should be in working condition. And the mock poll in this Gatlodiya constituency has just started. 50 polling officers will start voting now, just to see and ensure that polling takes place. But of course, all eyes are set for 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is the time when Anandiben Patel will come here and cast her vote. Deepthi?
All right, interesting. Prema getting us that report. Viewers coming in from Gatlodiya. And